Hi, I'm Guo 11 years old, grade 5, from YUMIN Primary School.
My name is Guo Cheng Guang, 8 years old, primary 2, also from YUMIN Primary School.
We'll go on with calculus. Chapter 4, further differentiation. Did you realize that this question is similar to the question last time?
Yes?
Okay. This question will find you another constant, n, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Let's start with this. Did you remember what is this?
Yes.
Okay. What is pxy?
PXY is partial Z partial X.
What about qxy?
Partial Z partial Y.
Okay. First, we'll find what is partial z, partial x. Partial z, partial x. We just look at that. We just look at dz. This is x minus y. X squared plus y squared bracket to the power of n.
Okay.
Is this correct?
Correct.
What about partial z, partial y? Partial z, partial y is just the dy part, right?
Yes.
So this is x plus y, x squared plus y squared bracket to the power of n. Is it correct?
Yes.
So we'll find the mixed partial differentiation.
A derivative. X first is okay. Y first is okay. But why we need to first find the mixed partial derivative? Like that, then we can find n, and these two must be the same, but still the same thing happen. X don't equals y don't, actually y don't equals 0.
We'll use the
Zero.
quotient rule, right?
If you are also going to use the chain rule.
Like this, because that at first this x, here's a 1, just times the denominator, correct?
Yes.
Then here we'll minus. I know that here's the n. And after that there's a 2x. Because it's the chain rule, right?
Correct.
Here the other part. Is it correct?
Yes, definitely.
Then we'll times back the numerator. So it will be like this. Then we'll continue to simplify.
Okay.
We can times this in, right?
Yes.
So it will be like this. Like this. Correct?
Correct.
Next is the other mixed partial differentiation.
The later we'll see it is the same. If it's the same, it's correct.
Wait, we're not there yet.
I know. Take one step back.
here there's a minus.
Yes.
So this is a negative, right?
Yes.
It's still a minus, and here is this n, then we look at a y. So this is a 2ny times back the others. Wait, this is a minus. Like this. N minus 1 times back the numerator again. All of these over. Square of the denominator. Do you know how to continue? Do you know how to continue? Simplify. And can we take out the negative? We also simplify this.
I can expand. We can expand. But not now.
Like this there will only be one of these left. So it will be like this. But remember, here will change into a minus. I mean, from minus change into a plus.
Plus. Plus, plus, plus. Okay, let me check if they're the same.
Is it like this?
Okay.
Just look at this part.
Wait.
Wait, here's a minus.
Wait. Why here have a bracket here don't have?
Again. Okay.
Okay. Now everything.
Now we'll let that these two are the same.
Okay, let.
It'll be like this. We sub these two in. And remember the denominator, we always can simplify from both, right?
Yes.
Okay. Like this. So move this part to the other side.
Yes.
There's two of these that add together. Is it?
Yes.
Two of these. Y also 2. What about for this? Nothing, right?
Nothing. Why not? Why not?
Yeah. Right?
Yes.
So, and then these two, they're cancelled. And this is a negative. This is 0.
Okay.
Do you see that we can simplify the 2?
Yes. But that everyone have.
Watch. X squared plus y squared. Remember this? Then we'll minus n. We take it out. Like this. What did you realize? What should n be?
1.
Because that
And minus 1 must be 0. And my x don't equals to y and x or y don't equals to 0.
yes, correct. So we know that n verification.
Verification. Enough.
This verification is that we'll just sub the n in.
Okay. Do everything all over and sub the n in. So it will be easier this time. This time. This time.
Like this. I'm just is it correct?
Yes, it's correct. Before that we have a bracket and now we don't have a bracket.
Yes. Is it correct like this?
Yes.
So for partial z, partial y. It will be
Correct.
similar, and that is like this.
Very good. Haven't finished.
Next is the mixed partial differentiation.
Derivative.
Mixed partial differentiation.
Or derivative. Okay.
Like this. This.
Stop.
Wait.
Stop. Stop.
So we look at here.
Stop.
It's with respect to x, right?
Yes, stop.
With respect to x, so this is a 1 on
Okay.
the top.
Stop this.
X squared plus y squared. Then here we'll minus. Let's look at the denominator. The denominator is just a 2x.
Okay.
2x. This times the numerator. Okay, write the denominator. Write the denominator.
The denominator is
Yes, very good. So this
to be continue.
this minus 2x squared minus x squared, right? What if we put the minus in front? Like this. So minus 2x squared. Yes. Next is negative 2xy becomes plus 2xy. Then is just only
Only y squared.
like this.
2y squared. Like
And it
that.
will be like this. Right?
Actually, it should have a bracket. And become y squared, so it's only.
Then we'll need to find the other mixed partial derivative. So remember that n is 1.
Especially right this.
Okay, so can I just erase this part? Okay?
Only the top? No. Wait, this one we no need.
Yeah.
No need to copy.
So like this partial square z. There's this partial y, partial x now. Partial y. Partial z. Partial x. So we put, which one do we put? X minus 1 over x squared plus y squared or the other? Obviously it's this one, right?
Yes.
So because there is the x, there is this negative. Negative, so this will be a x squared plus y squared. After actually a minus, but now it becomes a plus. This will be 2y, then bracket, the top part. So like this, below here, still the square of the denominator. When it's like this, put this in negative. This is x squared plus 2xy. And remember, now it's minus 2y squared. So this is still minus y squared. And then this is the denominator. Same? Okay, yes, they're equal.
Then shown.
So we have proven. Are you clear?
Yes.
Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so we'll end here.
Okay.
Okay.